Hey, good morning. Today we're going hiking in Black Star Canyon Trail in Irvine, and despite my jovial exterior, I am quite sad right now. We're here at the trailhead. It's a little bit wet. Should be cool. Maybe we'll slip and die, or maybe flash flood.
It once was cold and for an hour because once they just got married, poking me in the face.
Yeah, there's a little creek down there. We're gonna do talking back and forth over it. Like, I don't know, the mud just makes it that much better.
No.
It's so fun.
No, I haven't. Oh, no, not tonight.
You're not down. Is that a challenge? Pass. Yeah, you can look here.
I've done Ivy, I think. Well, Ivy is probably the,
Just the country club.
No, that's the... I'm gonna get close.
It's a nice hike. Having fun. Sweaty, wet, wet, sweaty. We made it. It smelled like a rat in the streets of India. Nobody wants to be around me. Hopefully it's the smell. That's so easy. Let's do it again. Double it and give it to me.
Yeah, at the top it is. You could wrap down the waterfall. Good. Let's go, Mosley. Oh, it's cold. You can do it.
Shoot.
It's good. It's good. Get up into
Do you mind standing under him, Brett? Yeah,
What do you grab?
please.
It's like, you gotta find your good spot. Boom, boom, boom. You can do it. Let's go. Put your right foot lower, Avery. Way lower. Right foot way lower. In. There you go. There you go. Now step through it. Yeah. Good. Step up. Oh my God. Let's just go over here.
Yay!
I couldn't see that. Oh, I'm looking for him. Okay. And then bring your right hand where your right foot is. And then just step down here to the left. Yeah, that's it right there. Good. And then there's another foot left.
Did not expect to climb a waterfall today. Conquered. You only live once. I don't know when I'll be back. Thanks, Brett.
You're welcome.
do you think, Brett?
We lost the trail. It's raining pretty hard now. Scouting out high ground, just in case.
Dark and you saw the parking lot and you're like, we could stumble down. Really steep. We shouldn't have tried to do that.
Oh, so wet.
We didn't do it though. We're halfway. He told us that.
Just like that, all done. Nice and super soaked and wet. Oh my gosh. It's a really fun hike. Glad we went. That's all I got. Thank you for watching. You want to say anything, Erin?
No, it's okay.
She hates you.